Hello children, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. So children, this is the lecture 2 of chapter 2 and this is the revision. So what was the name of our chapter? That is the parallel and the meridians. So what do you learn about in previous lectures? Yes, we have learned about the axis, what are axes, an imaginary line that drawn on the center of the earth, that is called the axis, and it has two endpoints, that is it has two fixed endpoints that are called the point at the top, that is called the north pole, and the point at the bottom, that is called the south pole. And our earth rotates in its axis west to east. कैसे घूमती है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. And what are the second topic is? The second topic is the parallels. What is parallel? Parallels means a set of circles that are drawn on the surface of the globe, that is called the parallels. So how many parallels are there? कितने parallels होते हैं? There are 181 parallels. How many parallels? There are 181 parallel including the equator. And what are the major parallels are there? So these are the major parallels? That is the this is the longest parallel. Which one is the longest parallel? Good. This is the longest parallel. That is the equator. Equator is the longest parallel and it lies on the 0 degree. Okay. And towards this, and what are the features of this parallel? This parallel is a set of circle. All these parallel are, what is this? All these parallels are the complete circle, likewise this. Okay. So these are the set of the complete circles. See, these are the parallels. These are the set of complete circle except the north pole, because these are the points, and except the south pole. Okay, because these are the points, these poles are the points. Except from this point, so all these are the set of complete circle. And what are the second feature of this parallel? The distance between the two parallel is the 1 degree. Okay, so what is the length of the and what is the third? The length of the parallel decreases when we move away from the equator. जैसे जैसे हम इक्वेटर से दूर जाएंगे, वैसे वैसे इसकी लेंथ क्या होती जाएगी? डिक्रीज होती जाएगी. See, this is the longest parallel, and when we move away from the equator, its length is decreases. See, this is decreases. Now the third point is all parallels are located on a equal distance. ये सारे जो पैरेलल है इक्वल डिस्टेंस में है. That is, all parallels are located in the equal distance from each other. That is the 1 degree. इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस क्या है? 1 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we add 1 and again 1. How? First is, if we count from the equator, that is, we draw the circle of 1 degree at the distance of 1 degree. Then another circle at the distance of 1 degree. Then another one at the distance of 1 degree. So these are all the circles. Okay, all the parallels are at distance is equal. इसका जो distance है, the distance between of the two parallel is equal. Now, which one is the fourth one? Fourth is parallel neither touch nor cross each other. Means because these are the parallel that they meet and that they intersect each other, because these are the set of the parallel line. So it look like this. So this is the features of the parallel, and this is the feature of parallel. important feature. Now how are parallel numbered? How are they numbered? If we starting from the equator, that is the distance between of the two parallel is 1 degree. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 degree, 7 degree, 8 degree, 9 degree and 10 degree, and up to the north pole there are 90 degree north. So how many parallels are there from the equator to north pole? There are 90 parallel. And how many then same kind, 1, 2, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree, 7 degree, then up to from the equator to the south pole, how many? There are 90 degree at the south. These 90 parallels are there. So the south pole is the 90 degree south and the north pole is the 90 degree north. And the part that lies from the equator to north pole, that is called the northern hemisphere. Hemisphere means the, what is this? This is the half circle, we call the hemisphere. So equator divide the into the two parts. ये इक्वेटर है, ये डिवाइड कर रही है टू पार्ट्स में. The part that lies from the equator to north pole, that is the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies from the equator to the south pole, that is the southern hemisphere. Okay? So equator divide the earth into the two parts. Now the measure latitudes, how many? So total how many latitudes are there? How many parallels are there? 90 degree at the north and 90 degree at the south, and this is the longest parallel. Which one is the equator? So 1 degree. Now there are 181 parallel including equator. Equator को include करके how many parallel हो गए? That is the including equator. Okay? Now there are some important parallels are which one? The Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn. See this is the equator, and this one Tropic of Cancer. This is Arctic Circle, and this is equator. Okay, this is the line of the equator, and this is the Tropic of Capricorn, and this one is the Antarctic Circle. Now here is two poles are there, that is the North Pole and that is the South Pole. And how many latitudes are in north? That is 90 degree north and that is the 90 degree south. Okay, so this part, that part is called the torrid zone. The part that near the earth, that is called the torrid zone. And Tropic of Cancer, and the part that lies from the Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, that is called the temperate zone. And the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, the part from the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, that is called the frigid zone. Our earth is divided into three zones, that is the torrid zone, temperate zone and the frigid zone. We will study in next class. So this is our earth is divided into how many zones? The three zones. And here now the equator, what is the degree of the 0 degree, and we start counting from the equator. हम जो पैरेलल्स को कहाँ से काउंट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं? इक्वेटर से, that is the 0 degree, and from 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, and Tropic of Cancer lies on the 23.5 degree. This part is the northern hemisphere, so we write N. Okay, and फिर on 28 degree, 29 degree. Then again when 66 and half degree, what 66 and half degree lies Arctic circle. Arctic circle किसमें आता है बेटा? 66 and half degree north and 90 degree north, that is the North Pole. And same for Tropic of Cancer, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, that it lies on 23 and half degree south, because this was the southern hemisphere. So we write S for southern hemisphere. Now this Antarctic circle again 24, 25, 26 degree, 27 degree, and when 66 and half degree, 66 and half degree south, that lies the Antarctic circle, and 90 degree south, that is called the South Pole. This area, Antarctic circle from South Pole, these are called the polar region. Okay, these are all the, what is this? These are all called the polar circles because they are the frozen area. This part is frozen. Okay. Why we call the polar circle? Because this area is the frozen area, and we know about the climate and vegetations and the temperature from that parallels. इन पैरेलल से हम ये क्या पता पड़ता है, ये जो जोन्स है, ये जो हमारी अर्थ 3 जोन्स में हो गई, और ये जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, आर्कटिक सर्कल, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, दीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट पैरेलल. ये सारे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? पैरेलल. जैसे एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, दिस इज द इक्वेटर, एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड द आर्कटिक सर्कल. ओके, इन विच नंबर, in which degree where the Antarctic circle lie? कौन सी डिग्री पे Antarctic circle? Good, that is the 66 and half degree south. And where the Arctic circle lie? In which degree? That is the 66 and half degree north. What is the degree of the equator? That is the 0 degree. So these are some important parallels. Okay. Now our next topic is for the meridian or the longitude. Meridians. Okay, these are the meridians. These are the lines of the meridians. What we call, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. Okay, so एंड इमेजिनरी लाइन, ऐसी लाइन है नहीं ग्लोब पर, बट हमने क्या करा, इसको इमेजिन किया. एन इमेजिनरी लाइन दैट ड्रॉन फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ, दैट हियर इज द नॉर्थ पार्ट, दैट ड्रॉन फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ, दैट आर कॉल्ड द मेरिडियंस. That are called the meridians. So what are meridians? What is the definition of meridians? Imaginary line and imaginary line that running from north to south are called meridians. So what is this meridians? An imaginary line that running from north to south, that is called the meridians. इनको क्या बोलेंगे? Meridians. And that is called the meridians. See, this line is called the meridians or the line of or the lines of longitude. What we call an imaginary line running from north to south. See this north to south. See this north to south. That are called the meridians or the lines of longitude or the lines of longitude. See, these are all the longitudes. And if we see the top part, so you like this type. Here the our pole, this is the north pole, and this circle is look like. So if we look at the top, so these are the imaginary line that drawn from, this is the north and this line is toward the south. So these are called the meridians. Okay, these are called the meridian. Important features. What are the important features of these meridians? First is all the size, the length, all meridians are of same length. इनकी जो length होती है, that is the length, this running from north side and from south, so they are all equal length. ये जो सारे meridians है, they are length first is same length. इनकी जो length है वो क्या है? They are all meridians are same length. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? हम बात कर रहे हैं meridians की. So meridians or the lines of longitude. And meridians or we call the lines of longitude. So these lines, this is the length of each meridian. सब जो लेंथ है each एक मेरिडियन सभी की and the length of all meridian all are equal, all are same length. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई मेरिडियन 2 सेंटीमीटर का ये ऐसा खींच गया, ये 4 सेंटीमीटर का. No, that is not the correct. Okay, so the length of all meridian are the length of meridian are same. ये क्या है? मेरिडियंस आर सेम लेंथ. ये जो लाइंस है वो सेम लेंथ की होती है. नाउ द सेकेंड इज द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियंस इज एट द इक्वेटर. दिस इज द प्राइम मेरिडियन एंड वेयर इज द इक्वेटर? दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ द इक्वेटर. सो द लेंथ ऑफ एनी टू मेरिडियन, जो इक्वेटर पे जो डिस्टेंस होगा दो मेरिडियन का वो क्या होगा? सबसे ज्यादा होगा. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियंस, द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस ऑफ एनी टू मेरिडियन एट द इक्वेटर. सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ पर होगा? एट द इक्वेटर. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑफ द एनी टू मेरिडियंस एट द इक्वेटर. क्लियर? दिस द लाइन ऑफ द equator. And see, it divide the earth, the prime meridian is divide the earth into the two parts, that is the western hemisphere and that is the eastern hemisphere. Hemisphere means what? Hemisphere means the half circle. This is the half circle. Okay, so the line passes which the line passes the, this is the starting point. Okay, to count the number of this, so that line is called the प्राइम मेरिडियन. इस लाइन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्राइम मेरिडियन. व्हाट इज प्राइम प्राइम मेरिडियन क्या होता है? द मेरिडियन, ओके, व्हाट इज द प्राइम मेरिडियन? The line that is the starting point to count all the meridian, that is called the prime meridian, and it divides this into the two parts, that is the western hemisphere and that is the eastern hemisphere. Okay, in parallel, equator divide this into the two parts, and we study the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Okay, but in this meridian, yes, it is fine to locate the place of the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Now, what are the features? First feature is the all meridian are of same length. सारे meridian same length के होते हैं. And what is the second features? The distance between the two meridian. जो distance between the two meridian का वो सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ होता है? Is at the equator पे. Now the third point is the distance between of meridians decreases as we move towards the poles. जब हम poles की तरफ जाएंगे, see these are the poles, these are the south pole and this is the north pole. As we move towards the pole, its length is decreases. Okay, see this is decreases. Okay, so what are the third feature? That the distance between of any meridians, any two meridians decreases as we move towards the equator, towards the pole. जब हम यहाँ से equator से poles की तरफ जाएंगे तो इसकी जो length है वो क्या होगी? स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. Okay, what are the third feature? The third feature is the distance between any two meridian decreases as we move away from the equator towards the pole. The distance, what is the third point? The distance between any two meridian decreases as we move from equator से कहाँ से लेकर towards the poles. Clear? Now, what are the fourth feature? The fourth feature is meridians are used to measure distance in the east or west direction. See, this is the meridian, prime meridian, and we can find the which directions. Okay, this is the west part. This is called the western hemisphere, and this is called the eastern hemisphere. These are because these are the semicircle and these are also the semicircle. So what are the four features that meridian are used to measure distance? Meridians are used to measure distance in eastern or west direction. इससे हमें किसका distance का पता लगता है? That is the which part is in eastern hemisphere and which is in the western hemisphere, because this prime meridian divide this into the two parts, that is the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. So what are the fourth feature of the meridian? Meridians are used to measure the distance in the east or west. What is this? Eastern or western east or west direction. Okay, it is used to measure the distance of east or west direction. This is called the western hemisphere and this portion is called the eastern hemisphere. और हम parallels को कहाँ से counting start करते थे? This is the equator. It is the 0 degree. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this prime meridian is the 0 degree, and we start counting this meridian from that side. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. Okay. Now, how are the meridians measured? How are meridians numbered? How are they numbered? How are meridians नंबर। कैसे नंबरिंग होती है इनकी? Okay, now you have read that the number of parallels. How many number of parallels are there? There are 181 number of parallels are there. So this type we count the meridian also. हम किसको count करेंगे? Meridian. Similarly, we need a starting point of a number. We need a starting point to number the meridian. हमें भी क्या चाहिए? स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट कहाँ से? ये नंबरिंग कहाँ से की जाती है मेरिडियन की? सो दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ नंबरिंग द मेरिडियन, दैट इज द प्राइम मेरिडियन, एंड द प्लेस वी आर डिसाइडेड टू काउंट दिस, द प्लेस नेम इज द in 1884 it decided the Greenwich near London. This was in London. So this is the starting point for numbering the meridian. Greenwich, a place near London, a starting point of meridian, a starting point of numbering meridian. Which place? Okay, which place in 1884? Which place is decided? Greenwich. Greenwich near London. This is the starting point of numbering meridian. ये starting point था, यहीं से जो है सारे meridians की numbering होती है. तो कौन सी जगह का नाम है? That is the Greenwich. And where it lies in London. Greenwich is London. और we call as the prime meridian. हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? We call prime meridian. Okay, the meridian that pass through Greenwich, that meridian that pass through the Greenwich, that is called the 0 degree or the prime meridian. उनको क्या बोलेंगे? The prime meridian. Okay, in 1884 the scientists decided a place that is the Greenwich near London. This is the starting point of that meridian. So we measure the numbering of meridian started which place? That is the Greenwich near London. And this, what is the starting point? That is the 0 degree. And we also call as the prime meridian. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? The meridian that pass through the Greenwich. जो meridian जो पास होके जाता है कहाँ से? The place name. What is the place name of that? That is the Greenwich. कौन सी place से होके जाता है? The meridian that pass through a place that is called the Greenwich in London is called as the prime meridian. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Prime meridian. The meridian that pass through the place that is the Greenwich is कहाँ पर है ये? लंदन में. So that is called the prime meridian and it marks 0 degree. The longitude of a place is measured east to west of the prime meridian. Means हम कैसे measure करेंगे? These east side में the distance between of each meridian is 1 degree, then 1 degree, then 1 degree. Okay, so we measure like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many set of circles are there up to the dot? That is the how many circles? 180. At the eastern, at the western side, how many? 180 and 180 from the east. Suppose this is the 30 degree meridian, then is 60 degree, then 90 degree, then 120 degree, then 150 degree, and then see, these are the lines of the meridian. So that is the 30 degree, then 60 degree meridian. This is the line of 60 degree meridian, and this is the 90 degree, then 120 degree, then 150 degree, and at the last that is the 180 degree. So in eastern hemisphere, how many meridians are there? 180 at the eastern hemisphere and 180 at the western hemisphere. Okay, and but so there are how many meridians are there? There are 360 meridian. Okay children, you understand the chapter well. Or thank you.